So doing the halls and social room and the cushions today by the water, and then in a week or so we're doing these two buildings over here. Just keep going down the street. Another social room down. Carpet, it really didn't look that dirty, but now that it's clean, it's like super shiny. Looks awesome. Did all the furniture and the carpets in here. $100 of cords. The plug here, the closest one is 100 foot. All the way down here. And where Jim is, same thing. He's already came around the other corner of the end. This hallway is 100 foot away from where he's standing, so pretty far. These are always fun. Fun, easy, and profitable. And what we're doing is using these scrub strips, and then we're using the polar pads that are dark. These are nice because they don't leave any fuzzies like a white cotton, but we can dry the carpet in about 5-10 minutes by the elevator. So those are nice. Otherwise you're vacuuming a lot of cotton. We're not vacuuming this job. So these are always nice jobs. We got a couple of these this year. Doing these small wool carpets on these halls. And 2 glad pads is perfect. One to wet it down and use another one 2 sides. But with the fan, you know, the issue is trying to dry it fast. I'm getting like a 10-minute dry time on wool carpet. And the pads are super black. So again, using a fan is good in commercial work where you don't want people falling. You can get like a 10-minute dry time. Using these microfiber cotton pads, by using 2 or 3 of them, both sides, going over that, about six pads, and then the fan. Actually, the dry time is down about 5 minutes. It's totally dry, which is really important on heavy traffic areas. And the carpet is like 4 shades lighter, a lot of oil from the feet, so looking gorgeous, but really fast dry times. Even though I can soak it with this machine and wet it and really get the soil out, we can dry it with a fan in about 5 minutes. A few minutes, getting less than 5 minute dry time after using a few sides. That one I used 2 sides, the other one I used 1. So 3 sides of a glad pad, and we can get this where if I go around the corner and keep working, it's dry. And I'll move over there and dry that one. And we're able to do a 1,800 square floor, a little less than an hour with it dry before we go downstairs, which is tough as it starts getting a little more humid and over 80. Not want to do in this place in the summertime when it's 100 degrees. Another building with some halls. 2 machines, 2 guys, 2 separate towers. These, again, small hallways like that last building. These are synthetic. So using these polar pads, use both sides right here by the elevator. I can dry this in about 5 minutes. Use a scrub pad, but use both sides of this. And with a synthetic commercial like this, it's dry really fast, which is really nice. So we don't need fans or anything else. And with the glad pad, sometimes you get little fuzzy, so you got to vacuum the whole thing. So no vacuuming needed on a dark commercial like this. But we've been maintaining this every year, so these are in pretty good shape. They're not heavy soil. You need a lot more pads with the heavy soil. So a lot easier, but these microfiber pads, they make the job easy. So we got about 25 floors. Not even the whole building today, just a few.